Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to save Google Photos to your iPhone. So if I open my gallery, as you can see where the latest my picture, this one. Okay, now let's move to Google Photos and let's say I wanna send this picture. So what I should do? You need to click at the three dots at the right top, and right here at the bottom you will see the button download. Tap at this button, and now let's check if we have it. Yes, right here, as you can see, we just save it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.